Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League not responding easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just click here and then go to documents and then click my games and go to Rocket League. You will find it, you'll find it like that. I will find it like that. Click on it and then to a game, and now delete cache, and that's it. Now just go back and go to task manager and click memory. You will find it like that, and then just click memory, and now just close all the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome, and if you want to close it, just click end task, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.